Attention please. Let me ask you something very serious. If 2026 ends exactly like 2025 financially, would you be proud of yourself or you will feel disappointed? Because here is the truth nobody tells young people. It's not how much money you make, it's how differently you handle it. In 2026, the economy is shifting. AI is changing jobs. Digital income is exploding. Inflation is still real. And the people who wins financially, they have to move differently. In this video, I am breaking down 7 things you must do differently with your money in 2025 if you want financial freedom, not just survival. And I promise you, this is not basic advice like save more money. This is strategic. Let's get into it. Number 1, stop saving just to feel safe. Start saving to invest. Saving is good, but saving alone won't make you wealthy. In 2026, your money must work for you. Instead of just keeping money in a regular saving account, learn about index funds, explore digital businesses, consider assets like ETFs, build cash flow skills. Books like Rich Dad Poor Dad taught us years ago, the rich don't save to sit on money, they save to buy assets. Your new mindset is save with a purpose, invest with a strategy, and multiply intentionally. Number 2, build multiple income streams, not just one job. One salary in 2026 is very risky. You need your main job, a digital side hustle, a skill you can monetize online. Platforms like YouTube, Upwork, and Fiverr have created millionaires from bedroom. I am not saying quit your job tomorrow. I am saying build a backup before you need it. Security in 2026 equals diversification. Number 3, stop spending to impress, start spending to progress. Let's be honest, some of us spend money to look successful, buying designer clothes, latest phone every year, luxury lifestyle on social media, but wealth is very quiet. In 2026, redirect your money into courses, mentorship, skill development, business system. You don't need to look rich, you need to become rich. There is a difference. Number 4, learn AI and digital money tools. If you ignore AI in 2026, you are choosing to struggle. Tools from companies like OpenAI are changing how we work, market, write, sell, and build businesses. Use technology to automate tasks, create content faster, analyze business data, improve productivity. The new rich are tech leveraged. Don't fight the future, use it wisely. Number 5, track every dollar you spend. You cannot grow what you don't measure. In 2025, discipline wins. Track income, fixed expenses, variable expenses, investment. You don't need complex software, you need awareness. Financial maturity begins when you stop guessing. Number 6, build an emergency fund, but bigger than before. Old advice said 3 months, right? In 2026, aim for 6 to 12 months if possible. The world is unpredictable. Layoffs happen, business can slow down, medical emergencies can come unexpectedly. Your emergency fund is not fear, it is freedom. When you are not desperate, you make smarter decisions. Number 7, invest in your personal brand. This one is very powerful. In 2026, your name can be an asset. Start by posting valuable content, sharing your journey, teaching what you learn, building credibility. Look at entrepreneurs inspired by voices like Gary. Personal branding creates leverage. Attention is currency. If people trust you, opportunity comes to you. Don't just build money, build visibility. Let me leave you with this. In 2026 will not reward the comfortable, It will reward the prepared. You don't need to be rich today, but you must move differently today. Your future family depends on the financial decision you make now. If this video helped you think bigger about your money, subscribe, because we are building discipline, strategy, wealthy young leaders here. And comment below, which of these 7 are you starting immediately? Let's go together.